everybody, welcome to the Rachel Ray Cooking Show. Alright, first off, I'll be hosting this once a week and it will consist of 3 dishes here, and then I'll put a time next to it. But I'll be sharing fun facts about the dish and how it relates to the country of the week. This week's country is Nigeria! Woo! First, we'll start off with a dish called puff puff. Puff puff is a traditional African snack made of fried dough. The prominence of this delicacy stretches even to the eastern and southern edges of West Africa. Okay, you will need is 2 cups of self-rising flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, some warm water, sugar to taste, nutmeg. Instead of nutmeg, I'm using cinnamon because we don't have nutmeg. Cinnamon and oil for the pan. Yeast is more common to this recipe, but most people don't have yeast unless they regularly bake. At least I don't, so we'll be making our own self-rising flour. Self-rising flour will not only be a substitute for yeast, but it will cut down the rising time from 2 hours to only 10 minutes. We'll only need 3 ingredients. You will need We are making puff puff first because puff puff can be eaten with many things. Some even enjoy it for breakfast. For instance, Cameroonians enjoy puffs with beans, coffee, and other breakfasts for dessert. The next and final step before deep frying, add all the dries together and then mix it. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix that thoroughly. Alright, once that's done, we're gonna add some warm water in it until it gets this doughy consistency. It should look like this consistency. So decide about 10 minutes to rise. Start heating up the oil. Alright, be very careful with the oil because it's gonna get hot. So be careful that it might pop at you if you make it the temperature too high. We're using coconut oil. Like the French and Italian
Zapples.
puff puffs can be rolled in cinnamon, vanilla, and nutmeg. While you're waiting for it, let's put the puff puffs into little balls and then get ready to fry them. You see, it is finished. Okay, up next is pounded yam. Pounded yam is one of the Nigerian fufu recipes. The popular combinations are pounded yam with
Igasi.
Sadly, I don't have the right spices for these soups. Pounded yam is the most stretchy of all of the Nigerian recipes. That is, if prepared well. Traditionally, to prepare pounded yam from scratch, you will simply need to cook a white yam, pound the pieces with a mortar and pestle when done. Sounds pretty easy, doesn't it? However, I will be using a regular yam in a bowl.
Okay, so I messed up, and I live in Oklahoma. I'm in Stillwater, Oklahoma right now. There's not a Chinese restaurant within a 20-mile radius, and I thought that a sweet potato could be substituted for a white yam. But I was very, very wrong. It did not turn out well at all, and I was very sad, but I'll still show you the final product because it's funny. But the recipe that I'm doing now works exactly the same way if you have a white yam, so keep on watching if you have a white yam. Not a sweet potato, a white yam. I could not find a store that sold white yams, so I'm so sorry.
Nigeria is one of the world's largest producer of yam, so it's no surprise that yam is a staple food for many groups in the country. Yam is grown widely in Nigeria. In many parts of the country, it is said that yam is food, and food is yam. Why yams are so important in Nigeria. Yam provides many Nigerians with 200 calories of energy daily. The New Yam Festival is a significant in many cultures as yam is the first crop harvested during harvesting season. It is celebrated in June and is characterized by elaborate personal and communal preparations and yam planting competitions. Before the yam is pounded, peel the skin, cut into pieces, and boil it until soft. Mortar and pestle are traditional tools used to pound chunks of yam that have been softened through pre-boil. People now use modern pounding machines, but the use of mortar and pestle makes the taste so much better. After the chunks of yams are broken into tiny bits, the pounder can get to work with the aim of eliminating all lumps to get it a smooth blend of pounded yam. The final product is now served by shaping the pounded yam into smaller balls. The side dish will be jollof rice. Jollof rice is one of the most common dishes in West Africa. You'll need 2 medium tomatoes, roughly chopped, 1 medium onion, roughly chopped, 3 small bell peppers, roughly chopped, and a blender combine tomato, pepper, onions, until it's pureed. Pour about half of the puree into the bowl. Set aside 1 teaspoon curry powder, 1.5 teaspoon hot ground chili powder or cayenne pepper, 1.5 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon plus 1 heaping teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of grounded ginger, and 2.5 cups of medium grain rice.
Combine all of the ingredients and let the rice cook for 40 minutes.
The dish most common of jollof rice derives from the name of the Wolof people and has become the best known African dish outside of the continent. Based on its name, the origins of jollof rice can be traced to the Jollof Empire.
Alright everybody, this is the final product and it kind of looks like failure. I failed with the yams. As you can see, they're neither smooth nor white. They look like mashed potatoes, but the bright side is that it's a heart, and that was for you all because I love you all. Next week's hint: the country means sun origin in English. Bye!